When sifting through your options, turn to the global leader, SWECO. We put technology in motion. Here at SWECO, we're working every day on industry's toughest separation challenges. With over 100 service offices around the world and over 80,000 startups, SWECO is recognized as the authoritative leader in both particle separation and size reduction across a diverse number of processing applications. SWECO has been on the cutting edge of separation technology since the invention of its patented Vibro Energy Round separator in 1942. And the practice continues into today with innovations such as fusion screen technology, gyratory sifters, and many more. With manufacturing capabilities in North America, Mexico, Belgium, India, China, and Singapore, our mission at SWECO is to engineer and manufacture equipment that meets the customer's needs for quality, value, and dependability. SWECO innovations are seen in a number of industries like chemicals, minerals, food and beverage, powder coating, plastics, pulp and paper, ceramics, pharmaceutical, and numerous others. A key element of the SWECO family of products is the gyratory sifter line. These screening solutions offer maximum efficiency, ease of maintenance, user-friendly operation, and simplicity of installation. Drive and screen assembly. Let's take a closer look at how SWECO gyratory sifters operate. For each sifter, the drive consists of a belt-driven eccentric weight located near the center of gravity of the screen basket. This screen basket is suspended by a set of 4 engineered hangers that allow the basket to move on a horizontal plane. The rotating eccentric weight produces a reaction force that smoothly drives the screen basket through an elliptical path. Through the use of the SWECO motion analysis system, one can see that the movement produces an elliptical path on a horizontal plane, a motion that has proven to be ideal for gyratory sifting. As demonstrated in this illustration, the entire screen assembly moves in a uniform gyratory motion, fully utilizing the entire screen surface. And our 12-foot screen decks offer longer retention time and better exposure of near-size particles to screen apertures, culminating in more accurate screening when compared to other traditional sifters that use much shorter screen decks. This is particularly important in multiple deck applications where near-sized particles can travel well down the length of the screen before they are exposed to lower decks. These features and more enable SWECO gyratory sifters to deliver screening capacities and efficiencies that other sifters cannot equal. Ball decks. For maximum efficiency, it is critical to any process to keep the screens clear of near-sized particles that may lodge themselves in the mesh and blind the screen. Keeping the screens clean is accomplished through the use of ball deck assemblies that are mounted below each screen. Manufactured using long-lasting, heavy-gauge metal, the ball deck's segmented compartments contain elastomeric balls that continuously bounce to strike the underside of the screen, dislodging any near-sized particles from the screen mesh. This demonstration, using super slow motion, illustrates how the ball action works to keep the screens clean. The ball decks come in sections for easy removal, but can remain in the sifter during screen changes. Screen changes. Screen change in SWECO gyratory sifters is engineered to be simple. Unlike many traditional sifters, there is no disassembly required to change out a screen, reducing the chance of reassembly-related problems. This time-lapse will demonstrate just how easy screen changes can be on a SWECO gyratory sifter. After loosening the tension bolts on both sides of the screen deck, The screens can be removed through the access doors from either end of the sifter. Both access doors are ergonomically designed with swing-out hinges to make it easier and safer for the user. You will notice that, unlike other sifters in the market, the ball decks can remain in the machine during the screen change process. For facilities with limited area around the sifter, section screens are available. Once the screen is replaced, the tension bolts are tightened, and the access door is closed, the sifter is again ready for production. This simple screen change process reduces downtime of the sifter, optimizing the efficiency of your process. Feed splitter. Every SWECO gyratory sifter is equipped with an integral feed distributor appropriate for the sifter's configuration. Screens are fed in series. The distributor acts as a spreader, dispersing the feed across the width of the top screen. This helps ensure maximum effective use of the screen area for a more efficient separation and helps to extend the life of the screen by eliminating impact zones and the premature wear they cause. Where screens operate in parallel, the feed distributor includes an integral splitter. The splitter takes the feed from a single inlet and splits that flow into as many streams as are needed. The splitter is a simple, reliable device that uses the sifter's own motion to divide the feed and distribute it evenly to each screen section. Hanger screen suspension. The hanger systems on SWECO gyratory sifters consist of 4 hanger assemblies which enable the screen assembly to move in its elliptical path on a horizontal plane. This provides the highly efficient motion of SWECO sifters, whether the screen assembly is hung from the support stand or from your facility's overhead structure. On the larger BigMax and GeoMax sifters, flexible mount design hangers are standard, which eliminate the need for greasing and bearing replacement, resulting in an extended life for your hangers. At SWECO, we partner with our customers to design and engineer the right system for your specific application, fulfilling both the processing and payback requirements of the application. Our SWECO Technology Center, located in Florence, Kentucky, allows our customers to gain comprehensive separation test analysis of most materials. This pilot plant and particle lab provides a test ground to determine process feasibility through detailed sieve analysis of materials before and after production. Using production-size equipment in the lab provides more accurate scaling capabilities to determine capacity parameters on various machine sizes used in the field. To be the leader in separator solutions, you've got to meet the changing world market. SWECO's research and development, ISO-certified global manufacturing capabilities and attention to safety, responsive and intelligent sales support, on-site startups for every machine sold, testing and engineering before and after the sale, uniquely places us in a position to serve your needs with a solid, lasting relationship. To learn more about the gyratory sifter line or other technology solutions offered by SWECO, please contact SWECO or your local representative or visit us on the web. SWECO, we put technology in motion.